Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the numerical 1 related to buck converter. Okay, so this is a very important numerical. Let us read the numerical. In the chopper circuit shown in figure, all devices are ideal. Okay, so this is a chopper circuit they have given, and it is given that all the devices are ideal. Okay, the switch is on for a period t on and then off for a period t off, after which the process is repeated. Okay, so this circuit they have given. Okay, next, in the steady state the average value of I0 of t is. Okay, so our task is to find I0 of t average, right? Average value of load current we need to find. Okay, so here let us discuss the circuit operation. Okay, so during t on, during t on, that is t is equal to 0 to t on, that is, let us consider it as a very first cycle, right? During the very first cycle. Okay, during 0 to t on. Okay, so what will happen during 0 to t on? The switch is in the on state. Okay, so circuit will be like this. Switch is in the on state, diode will be in the reverse bias mode. Here it is the inductor. Here we will be having the EMF. Okay, EMF. So this is a plus minus E, which is on inductor L, and this current is I0 of t. Okay, so here if you check, from t is equal to 0 to t on, from t is equal to 0 to t on, right? So how is the waveform? IL or I0, right? I instead of IL, here it is a I0. Okay, so from t is equal to 0 to t on, if you check, is a t 0 0 to t on. Okay, for the very first cycle I am saying, so that's why the current go on increasing, right? It will be reaching to a, suppose this is having a value of I max. Okay, suppose this is having a value of I max. Okay, so next, means inductor stores the energy, so polarity will be plus here and minus here. Okay, so here inductor is storing the energy. Okay, so can we apply KVL? It is a plus E minus L into di0 by dt. Okay, so here KVL to the loop, KVL to loop is equal to plus E minus L into di0 of t by dt. Okay, is equal to 0, is equal to 0, right? Now if you check, yes, from this we can write di0 by dt, di0 of t by dt is equal to what? It is a E by L. Okay, so therefore we can write, what is the di0 of t during this cycle? Yes, what is the change in the current? I max minus 0, so it is I max. Okay, so di0 of t by di0 of t is nothing but the I max, right? So we can write it as a I max. Here it is a I max minus 0, so that is I max only, divided by dt means what? 0 to t on, so it is a t on minus 0 is equal to what? E by L. So therefore I max is equal to what? We can write I max is equal to E by L into t on. Okay, so this is the value of I max, right? Means the value of current at the end of first half cycle, that is the first on time. Okay, I max is equal to E by L into t on. Okay, so we can write it as I max is equal to E by L into t on, E by L into on. Okay, so this is the I max value we are having. Okay, next, during the next half cycle, right, that is the during the first off time. Okay, during the first off time, what will happen during the first off time? The switch is open. Okay, so during t is equal to t on to capital T, t is equal to t on to capital T. Yes, we'll be having circuit like the switch is open, right? Here we are having the inductor opposes the sudden change in the current, right? So here inductor go on releasing the energy. Okay, circuit will be like this. This is Vs, this is open switch, this is the diode we are having, inductor. Okay, next, inductor is releasing the energy. Okay, this current is I0 of t. Okay, now so if you check for this circuit, okay, can we apply KVL to the loop? Yes, KVL to loop means this is during the off time, right? We are discussing. Okay, so it is KVL to the loop, like suppose this is a plus minus, it is a minus VL, right, is equal to 0. So therefore we can write VL is equal to 0. What is the VL? L into di0 of t divided by dt is equal to 0. So from this can we write di0 of t is nothing but 0 into dt by L, that is nothing but the 0, right? The meaning is, therefore at the end of or during the off cycle, during the off time, yes, what is the change in the current? Change in the current is 0. Okay, so can we say that change in the current is 0 means what? The current will remain constant, right? So it was a E by L into T1, so from T1 to T it will remain constant again. Okay, so it will remain constant means what? The waveform will be like this, right? So here we can draw the waveform. Okay, waveform of I0 of T, we can say is like this. Is initially 0, after that it reaches the Imax, that is nothing but E by L into T on. After that it is a constant, it is a constant. Okay, so this is during T on. Next it is a T, the T. Okay, next, so this is the constant, right? I0 of T is a constant because di0 of T is equal to 0 means change in the current is 0. Change in the current is 0 means current will remain constant. This will continue till T, capital T. Okay, next after T what will happen? Again after T, the, yes, we will be having the circuit which is in the on state, means the same circuit we will be having. Okay, so again we will be getting the di0 by dt is nothing but, again we will be getting it is a E by L only. Okay, so again the change in the current will be, yes, it is E by L into T on till next cycle. Or we can, yes, draw the circuit during, we can check the circuit operation during T is equal to T is equal to, yes, during T is equal to capital T to T plus T on. Okay, T plus T. Okay, so during this interval if you check, yes, here we will be having this switch is closed, right? Diode will be in the open circuit mode. Here it is the inductor and here it is a short circuit. Okay, so this is, we are having Vs, this voltage is VL, this current is I0 of T, and here it is L. Okay, so here inductor go on storing the energy. Okay, so after this T to T plus T on. Okay, T plus T on, if you check, the inductor stores the energy, right? So at which value it will be reaching? Let us consider this value is equal to I1. Okay, I1. So if you check, if we apply the KVL to this circuit, it is like, it's a E actually, not Vs. They have given it as a E, right? So it should be E. Okay, so it is like yes, we can write plus E minus L into di0 of T by dt equal to 0. Okay, so therefore di0 of T by dt is equal to what? E by L. Okay, so what is the di0 of T? Is nothing but I1, right? We have considered it as a I1, inductor storing the energy, minus E by L into T on. I1 minus E by L into T on minus by L into T on, right? Divided by dt. Dt means what? It is a T plus T on minus T, so it is a T on only, equal to E by L. Okay, so therefore we can write, right, E by L into T on, it was, right, E by L into T on. Okay, so correct. So from this we can write it is a I1 is equal to, if you further simplify, put this E by L into T on this side, so this, it is like a 2 into E by L into T on, right? So here point to be noted, the current I1 means the current is changing from E by L into T1. Here it is E by L into T1 because it is a constant current, right? Because di0 is 0, and here it is 2 E by L into T1, right? So for the next off time, what will happen? Next off time, again it is the same circuit. Again inductor voltage will be 0, so di0 will be 0. So here we will be getting a constant current. For next on time, it will be again increasing. Okay, so it will be 3E by L into T1. Okay, so it is a 3E by L into T1 for the next cycle, I am saying. Okay, so it is like still it go on increasing continuously. Okay, so whether is it possible to find the average value of this waveform? Not possible, right? So correct answer is an average does not exist. Average does not exist. Is this clear? Means when the switch is in the on state, inductor stores the energy, but when switch is in the off state, yes, inductor is releasing the energy, but in order to consume that energy, yes, the element is not present, because when switch is in the off state, this diode will be the on state and inductor will release the energy, but whether the element is present such as the resistor, no, to consume the energy, no. So that's why even though the inductor is trying to release the energy, but inductor is not able to release that energy. Are you getting the point? Okay, so correct answer is option C. In the next video, we're going to discuss about the second numerical. Thank you.